This Marcus just up to get another pull, ain't you?
I'm a what up in me, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do what up in swimming and all that.
All right. Anyone would think it was his birthday, wouldn't they? Right? So. You're enjoying yourself?
I'm at a fabulous day.
How many vodkas have you had?
I'm the only one in the I can't be that naughty boy.
You are that naughty boy.
That's Edwina.
Yeah?
That one's Patsy.
Alright.
That one's George Megan.
George Michael?
Huh?
Oh, is that because it's next to the toilet?
Like a bit of George.
Yeah.
In the kitchen and all that. I'm can't know what it is.
You're not allowed over there.
There's goldfish in there now.
Goldfish, is there? Investigation. See what's what.
What's the fall now of the top of the boat after?
Is the water nice and warm for you? Well, it must be because otherwise you would be in it, wouldn't you? That's what I have to put up with.
This is my old pool. Me book at the road.
You enjoy that, did you?
I'm not finished, Pappy. I'll go and test my vodka tonic.
Pardon?
You do? Why have you got an end to the pan?
Because it's my birthday. And I want to know where my gourmet meal is.
It's all about me. Oh, I'm not having that. Waiter.
Oh, there's no waiter here. We need to go back to our VIP area.
Where's me?
They'll do for today.
It's nice, this little bit here.
Quiet, isn't it? Very secluded.
Hey, this boat, I've never so nice. That's what I tell you all about. Told me all about it, you know.
Let's have a look at the surroundings. We've got nobody look.
Why isn't the camera on me?
Because I'm looking around elsewhere.
Oh, I'm not having that. I'll tell you it's all about me, man. So look at that. Come back to me. That's right, it's all about you. I'm not very demanding, am I? I'm not very
Well,
high.
I'll let you decide it when you listen back to the video.
I'm not very high maintenance, me.
No, not at
I
all.
want for nothing.
No, that's right. You keep telling yourself that, you know.
Me, I'll lead a simple life, me. I've been quite happy about myself. Yeah, me.
Really? Right, look at these waterfalls. Take a look at it now. Nice partially cloudy day, so it's we don't sit here roasting, which is fine. This is what I like.
Come back to me.
Loveliness. The only downfall is these little sunbeds in this bit, they just fall down. I think we can stop them on, but the VIP area where we normally are,
Get the
all gets
exercises
done
in.
for you. You are?
Get the exercises in.
What? It looks like you are doing absolutely nothing. Lots of exercise going on there, isn't there? Hey? Some little birdies. Hello, little birdie. Hello. Well, that's that for this pool. Bye. Say bye, Marcus. Asante.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Auf Wiedersehen. Hurra.
Buenos dias.